Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a little excitement for you. Zane and I, we're out here with the mini. We're at the pond, so we got a dead elm behind us there. We're gonna be taking that out, and there's a little box elder maple here on the corner of the pond. I don't wanna get rid of, but I really need to. I'll show you here. There's Atlas being a good boy. But I need to get this tree out of here, and I'm gonna push grade out, raise the dam level a little bit, but I want to be able to grade this all off so I can mow it. Just try to keep the pond nice. So that's what we're up against. This elm, it's a good looking tree, but it's dead. Things have been hard on these around here. Probably that elm disease. Box elder, hopefully that'll come out all right. Probably won't take a whole lot of video for y'all, but I wanted to give you some updates. Everything else is doing good. Got pile of dirt there where all the grass is, here and back here, that I will use to help bring up the dam level, grade everything out, and then everything can be mowed really nice. That tall grass out there is drainage, just to try to keep this lower area dry. It's really wet in there from springs. I might clean that up as well since we got the mini out here. But let's get to it, see how it goes. Little update here, we had some rain come in. Memory was full on the phone, so we had to do a little data purge, but trying to catch some frogs. Wild man. Anyways, we're still bringing the level of the dam up, and then I'm gonna put in the little overflow. Looks better now though with the trees out of there. Got the grade brought down over there, and just bringing this clay this way. So worked out good. Turns out I think I actually killed that elm tree by adding clay. I guess I got too far up the roots with it. I didn't realize it, but I probably only went up 4 to 6 inches, and that must have been enough. So anyways, wanted to give you all an update there. Probably done with the excavator for today because it's a muddy mess.
I'm not throwing this.
Go ahead, bud. Big throw. Nice job. Right now we're just trying to lose some of this dirt, get rid of these piles so I can mow it, keep us, make it look a lot better out here. I'll be working this topsoil down. These last two piles here I'm moving were topsoil. We'll be putting them down on the top of the dam, get that seeded so it finishes up real nice. Doing light pushes here. Don't want to overwork the Mini, but it's doing a good job. They can handle it. Well, we're making some good progress. We got the dirt piles moved. Just got to do a little bit of raking here to finish up the grading. But I like the slope of it. It's a lot better now. Came up over our drain pipe there. Going to finish grading that out. Got another pile of dirt there. Topsoil to finish grading this half. It's going to be nice. Then we can go ahead and dress up and pack the edges real nice. Be in good shape. So my goal is to get more of the water out here, bring it up over that mud, just to give it a better look and to give some more fish habitat. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. We're making some good progress there. We got behind me all that pretty much graded out, and now we're just working on some more compaction and shaping this dam. But all in all, it's looking good. It's been a fun project. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Alright, let's see what happens, buddy.
I'm watching from the camera, Daddy.
Alright. We're getting some movement.
Oh, it is a movement.
Yep. easy with it.
I know how to go easy.
Just so it goes steady. Perfect, dude. Look at that big brick ball.
Whoa.
All right. Excavator for the win.